Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic FreeCAD tutorial how to use perpendicular join in assembly. So we have this example to objects, and if you want to use the perpendicular join, you can click at this icon and then will be show for create join with perpendicular option. So like example, I will select at this face and then click again this line. Click OK. Now the object will be automatically moved into the object. So you can rotate, like you can rotate in this green axis like this, and we move, it will be nothing change because this face perpendicular with this edge. Also same if you rotate again in right axis, and it's still perpendicular from this face into this edge, but different if you set angles in the blue axis like this. The face in this object not perpendicular with this edge, so if you move, the object will be automatically changed into the perpendicular like this. Okay, we will create again, can rotate to here, and if you move, it will be automatically changed. Okay, that's it for a basic FreeCAD assembly tutorial, how to use perpendicular join. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.